All right, guys, so it's very important that we know the number of fish we are stocking in our ponds, because at the end of the day, we wouldn't want overcrowding. We wouldn't want to have fish that are stunted in growth. We wouldn't want to have increased mortality as a result of overcrowding, overstocking. So what's the best thing to do? The best thing to do is to calculate the number of fish to stock in a particular size of pond. This will help you to maximize profits going forward. In two videos that we had prepared before now, I'll share the links with you so you will know how to calculate for volume of water, because this is a known fact. Without getting to know the volume of water in your pond, you cannot calculate the stocking density. Okay, so first things first, let's move on to establish some of these facts so that you can write them down. If you're with your pen, your writing materials, it will do you a whole lot of good. So first, you must know how to calculate the volume of water. You can check our videos on YouTube. We've addressed this for both circular, rectangular ponds as well as triangular ponds. So this will be of help a great deal. Now we should also know that it takes 10 liters of water, okay, to raise a fish to 1 kg. All right, it takes 10 liters of water for a fish to be raised from juvenile stage to 1 kg. So please take note of that. Having established this, what's your target at the end of the day? Do you want to raise melange sizes or you want to raise table sizes? So if you want to raise melange sizes, it means one fish is to hit 500 grams. All right, so we are using 500 grams. Melange sizes range between 350 and say 600 grams, but let's just stop at, let's make use of 500 grams as our case study. Okay, then if we're also raising to table size of 1 kg, it means one fish is equal to 1 kg. Now we've established all of this so that we apply them going forward. Are we ready? Now let's bring this down. If you have a pond that can contain 5,000 liters of water, okay, 5,000 liters of water, how many pieces of fish can this volume of water contain? That's the big question. So back to stocking density, we have 10 liters of water is to raise 1 kg of fish, and 5,000 liters of water, okay, is to raise a particular number of fish. We do not know. So let's go this way. 10 liters of water, 1 kg, and then we have 5,000 liters of water, okay. We do not know X. What do we do at this point? We just cross multiply. So write this down. Please, if you're taking notes, it will be of great help to you so that you can always revert to your notes and then you get this clearly. So 10 liters, we cross multiply like I mentioned earlier this way. So let's come this way, and then we have 10x, okay. Remember, we are dividing by 10, okay. 5,000 liters kg, we are dividing by 10. So we divided both sides by 10. This cancels this. We are left with x. And how many times will 10 go into this? So let's just cancel and be sure. This becomes what? 500. Remember, this is liters, so this also cancels this. Then we were left with kg. So x is equal to 500 kg. Now the question is, this unit is for weight, for body mass. So it means 5,000 liters can give you a body mass of 500 kilograms. Now this implies that you may not have up to 500 pieces of fish. So we want to go ahead to know the number of fish, that is the stocking density now, to know the number of fish that 5,000 liters of water can contain. this is for the body mass. So you might have 300 pieces weighing this weight, you might have 400, you might even have more weighing this weight, but we want to just know the number of fish that 5,000 liters of water should contain. Let's come back to the basics. So we said if we are calculating for 1 kg, it means one fish is equal to 1 kg. So if one fish is equal to 1 kg, that is for those who want to raise to table size of 1 kg, right? This is what you apply, and then this is 500 kg, okay, is equal to what? To x, right? So we cross multiply at this point again, right? This way and this way. So x fish, okay, is equal to 500 kilograms. Remember, if you are multiplying this, it still gives you 500 kilograms. So since you are looking out for fish, x becomes 500 what? Fish. Okay, so this is it. Now at this point, it means that 5,000 liters of water can contain 500 pieces of fish conveniently, and this is the way to go. Now let's come back to this basic. This one is one fish to 500 grams. Remember, I mentioned there are people that want to raise their fish to 500 grams so as to smoke, and the smoking size ranges between 350, even less. So let's just say 350, between 350 and 600 grams. We will still be maintaining the 5,000 liters of water, okay? But at this time, we are looking at smoking size. So this is 500 grams, right? Remember, we already know the quantity of fish that 5,000 liters of water, okay, will contain. Now we come here and then we write, if x is equal to 500 kg, we will now have to convert, okay, convert using conversion table, right? So 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams. Okay, so we bring down 500 times 1,000 grams is equal to 500,000 grams. Okay, so having converted, we now have our x is equal to 500,000 grams. Now we come back to this standard we have here, because this is the smoking size we want to achieve and be sure that 5,000 liters of water can take this. Okay, so we now have one fish is equal to what? 500 grams. So it's because of this we had to do our conversion here. Now we cross multiply this way. So what do we have? X 500 grams, okay, is equal to one fish multiplied by 500,000 grams gives us 500,000 grams times one fish. Okay, now what do we have here? We divide both sides by 500 grams. Okay, 500 grams. So this 500 grams goes into 500,000 grams. How many times? 1,000 times. So x becomes what? 1,000 what? Fish. Because 1,000 times one fish is equal to 1,000 pieces of fish. So at this point, we can say it will be very, very possible for us to raise 1,000 pieces of fish, okay, to 500 grams in 5,000 liters of water. I hope this makes a lot of sense. Please, you can go through this, and if there are any questions, come to the comment section and ask. We'll definitely be very much available to attend to those questions, and make sure you tell people about us so that we grow this community together, and your satisfaction will always come first. See you in our next video. Bye for now.